everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at binary. Now I'm making a whole playlist about computers and the basic of computers. I would also be going over Java and some of the key things in Java, how we can really how we can really code in Java as a language. Also, I'm also going to be going over like CPU and stuff like that. So let's get straight into it. So I'm gonna choose the rainbow color. So what is binary? There's just an introduction. There will be also another video about binary later on with more into what each value means and all those things. But what is binary to start off with? There are two values in binary, which is 0 and 1, and these aren't text written which the computer understands. They are not like written like this and the computer reads over it. No, that's not what it is. Binary is actually a fluctuation in voltage, and normally the fluctuation in voltage is like if it's the voltage is 0 to 2.5 volts, then you can take it as a 0. But if it's like 2.5 volts to 5 volts, then you can take it as a 1. So that's how it might look like sometimes. So let me just work that out and let's get back. Yeah. So example of using binary can be transferring photos by sending signals through binary. So basically here we can see this cable which is connecting the two laptops. Most of the time, these laptops would be sending signals like fluctuation in voltage. Most of the time, it would be fluctuation in voltage. And that's when the computer would understand if it's a 0 or a 1 or whatever it's programmed to do with that voltage. That's what it would do. So that's an example. Let's move on. Graph of how this might look like. So when you actually put this fluctuation in volts, how might it look like? So I'm using the same key that if the voltage is lower than 2.5 and higher than 0, then the binary is going to be 0. If the voltage is higher than 2.5 volts and lower than 5 volts, then the binary I'm going to take it as 1. Alright, graph is not to scale, by the way. So here, let's just first have a look at the graph. Here, I've got time in seconds. They would probably take a way longer than just way shorter than just seconds. It would probably take like a few milliseconds or even less than that. So this is the partition line from where we divide the 0 and the 1. So over here, this dot represents what the value of the voltage was. Here the binary would have been 1. Here it would have been 0 because it's below the partition line, and you can see in volts over here what it might be. And then over here we've got another 0. Over here we've got 1s. Over here we've got another 1, 0, 0, 1. So the code of this would be written as 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1, and then that's for this graph. So that's it for the introduction to binary. I hope you understood everything, and I hope you learned something new. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.